What is denture stabilization? In today's video, we'll be discussing how this one little known procedure called dental stabilization can save you money and replace all your missing teeth in the long term. So if you have missing teeth right now or have dentures, stay tuned. This video is going to be very helpful. So this video is a sequel to the previous video I made. You may have seen it. I spoke about 3 reasons why dentures are a bad idea. You can take a look at our page if you'd like to watch that video, but the main concept is that dentures have 3 main problems. First, they're notorious for being uncomfortable to wear, and people have to use a lot of denture paste to keep it in. The second downside is a lack of functionality. Dentures don't allow people to chew their food comfortably, especially solid foods like chicken and meat. And the third drawback was the bone recession. Very few people realize this, but the lack of tooth roots causes bone recession because there's no pressure being put on the bone. So bone acts kind of like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. And over time, that bone will recede. Because dentures only replace the upper portion of the teeth and not the roots. That's why, the retention is low, and also the fact that you have to use a lot of adhesive glue to keep the dentures in the mouth. Dentures will also cause your jawbone to recede over time. This causes a lot of issues such as aging faster than you really are, sinking of your face, and also your dentures will not fit over a period of time. So after hearing all these issues, you may be asking yourself, so what's the solution? What's the workaround then? Most people who get dentures cannot afford to get the highest form of dental implant procedure called all-on-4, which is a fixed solution. That is a Cadillac, we call it in dentistry, where you replace all your missing teeth with fixed bridge of implants that you can eat whatever you like. It's the closest thing to your natural teeth. The drawback is that they normally cost anywhere from $20,000 to about $35,000 per arch. So it's pretty much like buying a brand new car. So at the bottom of the scale, we have dentures, and at the top tier, we have implant supported fixed bridge. And the higher you go up in price, the better functionality you're gonna have and the better quality of life you will have. But what's in between? How can you get the best bang for your buck, but also have a better quality of life? How can you get the best of both worlds? The answer is denture stabilization. It's basically an implant-supported denture where the dentist will place anywhere between 2 to 4 implants, and the denture will fit and snap over this prosthetic of this denture. This really is the best of both worlds. The dental implants eliminate a lot of the drawbacks of regular dentures. Your bone will be preserved by the titanium roots of the implants, and the functionality of the denture will be preserved because now they're held in with the anchors of the implants. Now you can eat your steak and not worry about losing bone. So here are 2 ways a patient can go about getting this treatment done. For the people who don't have the funds to get the implant over denture right away, you basically get the teeth extracted, get put in dentures right away, and wait a few months, and then hopefully within the first year you get the dental implants placed and then get the implant over denture done soon afterwards. The other option is pretty straightforward. You get the denture stabilization right away and you won't have to hassle with any of the negative drawbacks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're thinking about getting this type of mouth restoration, go ahead and fill out the information down below. We give all our dental implant patients a free consultation to discuss what your options are. This is Dr. Sasan Khodabakhsh with Summit Point Dental Implant Center.